Welcome back, Motorhead. So we are back here again today working on the V6 Mustang. Simple job today. We're just going to be doing some wiring upgrades. The customer had some like parking sensors installed in the bumper, but unfortunately the shop that did the install just kind of jumped the fuse and didn't really make a nice connection. So what we plan to do today is install this, basically a fuse jumper wire. This allows you to still use that fuse location to get the 12-volt power, but then it allows you to use a fuse for your new power. So basically the parking sensors will have its own fuse and an additional fuse for that location that we'll be taking the 12-volt power from. In addition to that, the customer also has an aftermarket radio, as you can see from the fuse bus from the battery. But currently he's having some issues with static, basically like a lot of wire chatter going from the rear amp up to the front speakers. So we're just going to take a look at the cables, make sure that they're separated correctly. And that might be it for today. Oh, we're also going to be repairing the rear view camera. So this one has a rear view camera in the trunk, but it's also been wired pretty poorly. So just to avoid some fire hazards, we're gonna include one of these on the inside just for the rear view camera as well. So stay tuned. All right, Motorhead, so we're back here. Just about to wrap things up, but I wanted to take some time to explain exactly what we've done. We've added the fuse block jumper here, so we have an extra fuse going to the power. We also removed all the wires that were in here before. We'll include some pictures. I redid the ground. I still got to tighten this, but I want to heat shrink that. The other thing about all these sensors before, they were running on top of through the engine bay here. We had some wires going over the back, so we basically eliminated all of those, ran the signal from the inside along the firewall over there, came up to the front, and all the wires are going along the front of the bumper, as well as all the sensors we've routed so that all of them are going to come to one end of the car. So it'll be much easier for us to take the bumper off in the future. As you can see, we've just ran it alongside, come back up. One of the main things to keep in mind about this, it's like a universal kit. So somebody's modified it already to fit this vehicle. So we're just kind of going in and trying to clean up some of the wires and trying to make the kit work better, because currently he's having some cross signal interaction. So we've checked all the sensors, make sure that everything is working. So we're just going to finish cleaning up some of these wires, trying to put it in a nice tight bundle and behind the bumper so that when you open the hood, it's still nice, clean engine bay and you don't have loose wires everywhere. All right, Motorhead. So we just finished wrapping up mostly just a sensor job on this one. It took a little longer than expected, but sometimes when you get into these custom jobs, you'll have that. But basically all the sensors are rewired, all of them from behind the bumper. Engine bay looks super clean again. We've removed that box that was wrapped up under here. We put it behind in a safe location where it's not going to get damaged. As well as the other wire in the back, we've removed that. So that's going to be it for the V6 on today. We got a little cleaning up, a little mess to clean up here, but that's going to wrap it up for today. Stay tuned, contact us, we'll be back at it again.